Hello, hi students, welcome back in your English grammar class. Today we will learn about preposition. What's the meaning of the preposition? Where we use a preposition? Now we will discuss about preposition. Definition of preposition. Preposition is a word which is used before a noun. A noun phrase or a pronoun connecting it to the another word. Preposition we use for two words to connect each other. These words are like at, on, in, for. All words are preposition. Like I am going to a Delhi. To use for a Delhi, that is your preposition. Now we will discuss some examples of preposition in a next picture. Let's see. Yes. First is the cat is under the chair. The girl is on the chair. The butterfly is over the girl. All Pink's words are in the sentence are preposition under, on, over. Next is a bee flew into the room through a window. The king and the queen are in the room. In, into, through, both two sentences in a three words. Pink words are your preposition. Like upon, near, across, over, all words are your preposition. Put this glass upon the table. You are standing near the table. Upon and near. The girl can across the road means cross the road. The boy jumped over the wall into the garden. Over the wall. All pink words are in these sentences are your preposition. Now we will discuss how many kinds of preposition. We have four kinds of preposition. Now we see this preposition. First, yes, you saw a picture. First is a preposition of time. Second is a preposition of place. Third is a preposition of manner. And fourth is a preposition of direction. All four prepositions we use in a daily life. Now we will discuss all preposition one by one. First is your Now it's your first preposition of time. Preposition of time tells us the exact time when an action or event happens. Like example is like in, at, on, after, before, for, until, till, until, during, since, etc. Its example is first the music class begins at 10 o'clock. At there is a use at for 10 o'clock. It's a mention a time. That's why it's called a preposition of time. Second is your example. Second example is I received a letter by post on Sunday. Here is a on mentioned for a Sunday is a fix. There is a fixed time that is called where there is used preposition of time. Preposition of place. It shows relationship with respect to place of a noun or pronoun. इसको हम यूज करते हैं प्लेस यानी कि स्थान के लिए. लाइक ऑन, अंडर, एट, बिटवीन, बिलो, अबव, अमंग, बिहाइंड, नियर, एक्सेट्रा. Example is I went near Mohit. Near used for a Mohit. That is your preposition. Birds builds nest on trees. Where? On trees. So on is your preposition of place. Near and on used for a place. That's why we called a preposition of place. We use among, behind, below, between, at, under, on. Like the cat is under the chair. That is used for a under for a cat. Now is your third is Preposition of manner, that shows relationship with respect to manner of a noun or a pronoun. With, by, without. Examples: we speak with our tongue. He earns by selling grocery. Both words with and by, it's an underline, that is your preposition of manner. We use with, by for manner. Now we use a without. I cannot live without you, that is also a manner. And your last is preposition of direction. Preposition of direction, it tells us the direction of the thing or event, like to, into, onto, from, of, out of, towards, around. Examples are: she ran towards the door. The earth moves around the sun. Both underlined words are preposition. It is used for a direction. You know, all underlined words are preposition in these four examples, means kinds. Now tell us. Now we will discuss one chart, time, place and direction, where we use which preposition in a time and which preposition used for a direction and a place. We will discuss in this chart. Student, you will do in your notebook and have a great day. If you not understand grammar part of preposition, then message us. Do in your notebook. Bye bye.